Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a circle card. We'll start by gathering our basic supplies, which typically include cardstock, a circle cutter or dies, and adhesive. You'll find that crafting these cards is a fun and rewarding experience, allowing for endless creative possibilities. We'll cover everything from cutting your perfect circles to assembling the layers, ensuring your handmade card stands out beautifully. Let's get started on this exciting crafting journey together. To begin, you'll need a few key items. First, choose your cardstock. A weight of at least 80 pounds is ideal for a durable card base. Next, for perfectly round shapes, a circle cutter or a set of nesting circle dies will be invaluable. If those aren't available, a compass and scissors work well too. Don't forget your favorite adhesive, a pair of sharp scissors, and any decorative elements like stamps or glitter to personalize your creation. Now let's assemble your card. Start by cutting 2 circles, one for the main card base, perhaps 5 inches in diameter, and another slightly smaller, about 4 3/4 inches, for the front panel. Take the larger circle and score it about 1/2 inch from the top edge, then fold it to create a hinge. Apply adhesive to this folded tab and carefully attach the smaller circle, aligning the edges perfectly. This forms the sturdy foundation of your unique circle card. Finally, it's time to add your personal flair. Decorate the front of your circle card with stamps, patterned paper, or die-cut shapes. You can create a layered look by using foam adhesive for some elements, giving them a 3-dimensional effect. Inside, write a heartfelt message or add a small stamped image. Remember, the beauty of handmade cards lies in their uniqueness. Take your time and enjoy the process of bringing your creative vision to life.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.